Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today, as you have already understood why I have made this video I have made for those children who apply for the first interview and they don't know what they have to do, what they have to answer. So first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about interview, it's only one thing, that is nervousness. Now why we feel nervous when we only listen about interview? We listen this word interview, so we get nervous. Why does this happen? We feel nervous because we don't know what we will be asked, what interviewer can ask. Because interviewer is a kind of person, that image that we have made in our mind, it's a kind of person with that a person who is very cruel and very cunning. So we think that he or she is definitely going to ask something that is not appropriate for me to answer. Not appropriate, but that is not into my terms. Means I don't know about that. Definitely they are going to ask that because they want to reject me. No, it's not like that. Interview is totally based on interaction. Means they want you to interact in a way that they can have trust on you, that yes, you fit to their company, you fit to the institution, whatever field are you going to apply for. Then here the question comes that how do I face an interview? Means how will I prepare myself for interview? So today I'll give you all the tips related to the interview that you want to face, and from now onwards you will have no problem while facing the interview. Okay, so first thing that you have to understand about interview is your dressing sense. Exactly what you have listened. Your dressing sense is very important for your interview. So now here it doesn't mean that you have to go to a very expensive mall and you have to get something for you. No, what you have, you go with that. You have to simply be dressed in a very decent way. In a decent way, it means what? That you must be very formal. It doesn't mean that simply you will wear casual jeans and t-shirt and you will opt for that. And for girls, they will simply go with whatever it's very normal for them to wear and roam in the market and like that. No, it's not like that. What you have to do, you have to be very decent in your dressing sense. Now, the second thing is, when you get inside the room, first of all, even I miss this, first you will take permission and then you will get inside. May I come in, ma'am? May I come in, sir? And when you will go there, immediately don't go and sit on that chair. You have to ask even for that. These all are, you can say, these all are courtesy, So you have to ask them, may I have seat? Or you don't ask them. They are going to offer you the seat because you will keep standing. They don't want you to stand there. So if they are not offering you, then you can ask that, may I have a seat, sir? Or may I have a seat, ma'am? They'll ask you to sit down. After sitting down, don't be messy. Now here what messy means? It means you are having a bag, you're having a mobile phone, you're having file, you're having too many things. So don't be messed up with that you keep the mobile phone and bag on that table. No, that's not going to work. It's going to give you the negative points. So what you have to do, you be very assembled. Keep your bag wherever there is space, just beside your chair, and mobile phone should be completely in silence, on silence mode. And then after that, you have to sit straight, upright, and then you will wish them, and they'll start firing the questions on you. They'll start asking you. They're having your CV, so they are not going to ask your name. Maybe if they're asking your name, you can go with your name. You can say your name. What's your name? What's your pretty name? And then they'll start. Third thing, don't interrupt your interviewer when they are asking you or they are saying something to you, because this also creates a kind of impression on your interviewer. Means if they have asked you something, okay, so you are from, they'll say that place, you're from Delhi, okay, from this place, and and immediately you interrupt him. No sir, I'm not from there, I'm from here. Let them complete, let them finish, and then you can proceed. You can just clear the doubts that you are thinking that they are not getting you correctly, so you can correct them. Correct in means that you will just give your correct information, not correcting them, okay? And then here they'll ask you, tell me about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. This is a very common question asked in interview. Now this is a thing that most of us, I'll also count me as well, we immediately when someone asks us that tell me about yourself, so we don't know to say what we should know, what we should say about ourselves. Why? Because we have never read ourselves, we have never studied ourselves, that what we know about ourselves. We only know our name, we know our parents' name, we know our location, we know what we love to eat, what is our favorite color. But tell me about yourself, it doesn't mean that you will start saying about your favorite color, favorite food and favorite destination point. No, they're not interested in your personal means curiosity level thing that you want to go somewhere, you want to eat something. No. Tell me about something yourself here means you are going to stick only with very minimal things. That is, first you will give your name. Second, you will say, means you will talk about your education. And third, you will, if you want to add something extra, that if you have any extra education qualification, then you can go with it. Now, if in case they are asking you that why do you think that we should keep you? This is also a very common question that they may ask you. So they will say that why we should keep you, what is nice about you. So here you are not going to show yourself very you are not going to show yourself that you are in very need of this job, you want this job badly. No, what do you have to present? You have to present yourself means in a very decent way. You have to present that yes, how you deserve to be here. Because you will say about your educational qualification, you can talk about your experience, but the children, the students, those who have their first interview after to take the job, so they don't have the experience, even they can also talk confidently. How they can talk confidently? You can say about your motivational skills, then your previous in school time or college time, whatever you have done, you have acquired some basic skills. You can talk about that. And you will say that, sir, I think that I am the perfect fit for this company. And if you will give me this chance, then I'll prove myself. So until unless if I won't get chance, so how will I prove that I am fit for this company? Before going to give interview, you must keep this in your mind that you should have a nice detail about that company wherever you are going. Means you need to study about that. That is very important. Until unless you don't know about that company, if they'll ask you where you know about this, how you came here, why you came here, so what are you going to tell? How are you going to express yourself? So that is very important, okay? And lastly, when they will ask you that, okay, we'll call you if you are selected, we'll send you an appointment letter if you are selected. So you are not going to raise your hands, you are not going to give your hands for a handshake. If they offer you, you can move on, not a big deal. But if they don't, so you will wish them, thank you sir, nice meeting you, thank you sir, have a great day sir, and then it's all about it. It's finished. Now if I think that it's really clear to you, because interview is not so tough. Interview, it's not really tough. If first interview is not good, you'll go to the second interview, you'll go to the third interview. No one gets selected on the first interview. It's really a luck by chance that anyone gets selected in the first interview. So you will have experience. So instead of thinking that how will I express myself, how will I face the interview, until unless you are not going to face it, you are not going to experience it, why are we going to talk about interview, right? Now I think that you have understood it. So be prepared for any interview that you are going to give. And if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.